Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lady palm is probably one of the most elegant and resilient indoor plants you can bring into your home, offering lush, fan-shaped foliage that instantly elevates any space with its sophisticated tropical vibe, making it a top contender for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners seeking a low-maintenance yet high-impact botanical statement. Number 5. KAYGO long-sleeve gardening gloves. These gloves feature beautiful botanical prints called bloom, inspired by the elegant silk dresses of the 1920s. They bring a touch of vintage fashion to your gardening attire. Working in a garden can be tough, but these are designed to keep your hands safe. Their sturdy synthetic leather palms protect against cuts and scrapes, while the elbow-length cuff shields your forearms. They are perfect for a wide range of outdoor tasks, from gardening and rose pruning to general yard work. You can even use them for various home improvement projects. Keeping them in top shape is simple. Just machine wash them in cool water with mild detergent and then air dry. Avoid bleach or machine drying to maintain their quality. Crafted for durability, these gloves are designed to maintain their original form and size for a long time. With proper care, they will remain a reliable companion for all your outdoor endeavors. What we like? This product stands out with its elegant, vintage-inspired design, making gardening a stylish affair. If you appreciate fashion even while working in the yard, or want a unique gift for a gardener, these are perfect. They offer excellent protection for both hands and forearms, ideal for rose pruning and general yard work. What people say. Number 4. United Nursery Majesty Palm Live Plant. This plant features tall, arching fronds and a lush texture. It brings a calming tropical vibe to any indoor or outdoor space. It ships 32 to 36 inches tall in a 10-inch grower pot. It's ready to be placed directly into your favorite decorative planter, patio, or balcony. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers consistently moist soil. This makes it an excellent fit for plant parents of all experience levels. This non-toxic palm not only adds visual appeal, but it also helps filter indoor air pollutants. It creates a cleaner, healthier environment for your home. It adds a modern, tropical touch to any room. It's great for home decor, office spaces, or as a unique gift for plant lovers. What we like? This plant offers a graceful tropical vibe, instantly transforming any space with its large, arching fronds. If you're looking for a significant indoor plant that makes an immediate visual impact, this is an excellent choice. It's also low maintenance and adaptable, perfect for plant parents of all experience levels. What people say. Number 3. American Plant Exchange Lady Palm 6-inch pot. Discover the American Plant Exchange Lady Palm. This elegant indoor palm brings a refined, tropical feel to any space with its beautiful fan-shaped, deep green fronds. It's a perfect addition to your home or office. Not only is it beautiful, but it also works hard for you. This plant removes toxins from the air, helping you breathe cleaner. Plus, it thrives in low to medium light, making it ideal for those shaded corners. Whether it's your living room, office, or even a protected patio, this versatile palm fits right in. It's great for both indoor and outdoor use in warm climates, enhancing any environment. Don't worry about complicated plant care. This slow-growing beauty requires minimal maintenance, needing infrequent watering and well-draining soil. It's a favorite for beginners and busy plant parents alike. Add natural elegance and structure to any decor style, from traditional to modern. It makes a beautiful, long-lasting gift for loved ones or a timeless accent for your own space. What we like? This elegant lady palm is perfect for adding a refined, tropical feel to any room, even in shaded corners. If you need an air-purifying plant that thrives in low to medium light conditions, this is your go-to. Its slow-growing and easy-care nature makes it ideal for beginners or busy individuals seeking a beautiful, long-lasting decor accent. What people say. No reviews available to extract points from as the source JSON is empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. Costa Farms Majesty Palm Indoor Tree Plant. Instantly transform any space with its striking exotic fronds. It adds a luxurious resort-style aesthetic, perfect for your sunroom, living room, or office. Enjoy peace of mind knowing this certified live plant is 100% pet-safe and non-toxic. Your curious cats and dogs can coexist safely without any stress. Breathe easier with this large indoor plant. It actively filters daily toxins and scrubs your indoor air, creating a refreshing canvas of living wellness. Forget complicated gardening routines. This easy care floor plant thrives beautifully in bright indirect sunlight with just a simple weekly watering. Experience uncompromised quality with a vibrant green plant. It's nurtured by experts and handled with specialized protective packaging for a safe arrival at your door. What we like. This Majesty palm is a striking statement piece, instantly adding a luxurious resort-style aesthetic to your home. If you have curious pets and need a certified non-toxic plant, this is a worry-free choice. It's also a natural air purifier and requires minimal care, making it perfect for those who want a beautiful, healthy living space without complicated routines. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. Number 1. Golden shower tree seeds. Discover the potential for breathtaking beauty in your garden. These seeds promise to transform your outdoor space into a vibrant paradise. Imagine a cascade of brilliant yellow flowers gracing your landscape. They are renowned for their magnificent, weeping blossoms. Each package provides 10 high-quality seeds, ready for cultivation. They offer a strong foundation for growing your own majestic trees. These are ideal for both new and experienced gardeners. With proper care, they will flourish and bring joy for many seasons. Enhance your garden with their unique charm and elegance. They provide a spectacular display that will captivate all who see it. What we like. These seeds promise a spectacular display of weeping yellow blooms, creating a breathtaking focal point in your garden. If you enjoy the process of growing from scratch and dream of a vibrant, unique flowering tree, these are perfect for you. They offer the potential for a stunning, long-term addition to your landscape. What people say. No positive points could be extracted as no source reviews were provided. Please provide product reviews to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.